Welcome to this topic, how to find LCD of rational equation. Okay, so learning this lesson is an advantage in solving the rational equation. Okay, so let's go to the exercises. Given this rational equation, 2 over x minus 3 over 2x is equals to 1 over 5. How we can get the LCD? Just take this number 2 and number 5. Write it here. And then we will get their common multiple. Okay, so I have to multiply this with the counting number starting from 1. So 1 times 2, that is 2. 1 times 5, that is 5. And 2 times 2, that is 4. And 2 times 5, that is 10. Next, 3 times 2, that is 6. And 3 times 5 is 15. Next, 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay, that is 8. And 4 times 5, that is 20. Next, 5 times 2, that is 10. And 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so as you can see, we have now the common multiple, that is 10 for the column of 2 and 10 also for the column of 5. And then this 10 will be multiplied by x. Okay, so 10 Sanday natin. So 10 multiplied by x so this is equals to 10x. So this is now, let's write it. So this is now our LCD. This is now our LCD. Okay. So write it here, LCD is equals to 10x. Okay? So yun ang paghanap ng LCD ng rational equation. So we have to multiply this 2. Pwede rin multiply natin itong 2 times dito sa 5 at saka times natin dito sa x. So yun ang LCD ng rational equation. Sige, pwede rin ito, multiply natin halimbawa ito para makuha nyo mga bata. Multiply natin itong 2, multiply natin dito sa 5, then multiply din natin ito dito sa x natin. Okay, ganun na lang. Malilito yata kayo. Sige, ito na lang. Multiply. Itong gamitin natin na parenthesis. multiply natin yung 2 dito sa 5 at multiply din natin ito dito sa x para madali nyo makuha. So, yun ang ano natin, ang LCD natin. 2 times 5 is 10 times x, that is 10x. Okay? So, sana na-gets nyo. 10x ang LCD natin. Okay? Okay. So, what about this rational expression 2x over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 3 equals to 2 over x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay. So, how to get the LCD? Okay. So, i-factor muna natin itong denominator ng 2. X squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, dito muna, sulat muna natin yung 2x over x minus 1. And plus natin dito sa 1 over x minus 3 equals 2 over, yung factor natin dito ay x minus 1 at x minus 3. Okay. Actually, ang LCD dito ay itong x minus 1 at x minus 3. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya ang LCD natin. Sulat ko muna itong 2x x minus 1. So, papansin mo dito sa first rational expression natin na 2x over x minus 1 ay wala siyang 3. X minus 3. Ilagay natin yung x minus 3. Lagay natin. Dito rin sa itaas. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano maghanap ng LCD ng isang rational equation. Okay, kasi dito, again, sa 2x over x minus 1 ay wala siyang x minus 3. Kaya ilagay natin itong kulang niya kasi wala siya dito. Ang kakulangan niya ay wala siyang x minus 3. Okay, plus dito sa 1 over x minus 3. Okay. So, ang kulang naman niya dito ay wala siyang x minus 1. Kaya, lagyan natin dito siya ng x minus 1. Okay. Samantala, itong third natin na rational expression ng tawag dito sa kanya kasi wala naman siyang equality, expression ng tawag. So, 2 over x minus 1. So, kompleto itong expression na ito, rational expression. Kompleto siya. Minus 3. Okay? So, as you can see, paprehas na o anong ibig sabihin dito sa Tagalog? Yung parehas na yung kanilang denominator. So, masasabi natin na ito ang kanilang least common denominator. Sulat muna natin dito yung least common denominator. Sana nakuha nyo. Ay, naku. Medyo nalilito ako sa Tagalog LCD. Okay, so is equals to x minus 1 saka x minus 3. So ito yung LCD ng rational equation natin na 2x over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 3 is equals to 2 over x squared minus 4x plus 3. So, yan ang paghanap ng LCD. Okay, so LCD muna bago tayo magsagot ng or mag-solve ng rational equation. Okay, so ang purpose ko lang dito ay sa presentation na ito ay para makita nyo kung paano kayo maghahanap ng least common denominator sa rational equation. Okay, so I hope na nakapagbigay ako ng kaunting kaalaman sa inyo kung paano tayo maghanap ng least common denominator ng rational expression, rational equation, patungo ito sa pag-solve ng rational equation. Okay, so maraming salamat.